kufuna essomero lya gavumenti erya primary bulumuluka owulire namugambe ova ku byabyalo hanga alime okudivatinga owuliriza ebyajjajja mwami kati you check the parishes. When you started, I remember the parishes were like 5,000.
So when we started the UPE, the parishes which had a primary school were 6,880. We now have 12,000 primary schools. So we have like doubled the number of...
But how many were the parishes?
I will check that.
Yes. For me, I think the parishes were about 5,000. So I think by now, all the old parishes may have already got a primary school.
We now have primary schools in 6,200 parishes.
But these are new ones.
Yeah, including the new one. All the old ones have now.
Yes.
All them have.
Yes.
We have now exceeded all the old ones.
So the problem is again of because come to the microphone, Namugam. So the twatandikana nkakasa nemiruka yalinga nkumitano, I think, but we can check. And the plan was make sure there is a government primary school per parish. Abana basobole okutambula n'ebigere bagende basome bakomewo. I think now, but the local government keep increasing the parishes. But if you increase, for instance, like in our parish, of Mama and myself, the one of Chikoni, we used to have one primary school somewhere there. Now there are like 4. But even if we maintained the old one, the one we had in that parish, children could have walked or cycled to the school and go back and study. But so I will check the number and answer you properly in some of the I think the density, what we're talking about is the density. The density of the schools is not enough. Kati abana abasomesa okubasasula, we are paying them better than the private schools. Do you know that? Emisala gye banyooma eya government. I think Mama would want to say something on that. Do you remember anything? She will check, but the Emisara, people like Tayeba know something about, you know about schools. Come and say something. How will they pay? The pay which these teachers are looking down upon in the government schools compared to what they are paid in private. The arts teachers now, the ones who are striking.
Mzee, most of the teachers in the art schools are not even paid in the private schools. Because when we go to the village and we engage with them, especially the ones in the rural schools, they are not even paid. But now the biggest quarrel with the teachers in Mzee has not been even on the amount they are earning. They are only saying, you have given so and so, they say it's much more. So we also want to take what you've given the other party. So but Mzee, most like up country, around 200,000.
But in the private schools?
Yes, in the primary schools, for private.
How much are they paid?
Around 200,000.
Nabanja, you know something?
In the private schools, Mzee, not government.
So Namugambe, guno musala gwe banyooma gusingira ddala kibasosola mu private schools. And regarding the difference between the scientists and the arts, it is because we want your economy to develop. In order for the economy to develop, these roads need engineers to look after them, the engineers. The power stations need electrical engineers. The hospitals need doctors. The coffee and agriculture needs extension workers, scientists. So that's why we said, yes, I am a person of arts, literature, I'm a man of literature. I can quote for you Shakespeare, what Shakespeare said and all that. But when there is a problem on the road, I can't help you. So we are saying, Banange, let's start with the scientists because they are fewer, but they are needed immediately. Later on, we shall go to the arts. For them, they say, no, if we all don't get, nobody gets. Now, that's what we cannot accept.